Hi, my name is Ashley and I'm a Customer Success Manager here at GoSearch. Today I'm going to walk you through our Answers feature. You can find the Answers feature on the left-hand rail here in the second section called Answers. As you click on it, you might be asking yourself, what is this Answers and Questions section? Anybody in your company can come here and ask a question. Let me do that now. In the top right corner here, you'll see Add a Question. As I select this, I have pre-typed a question here to be added, and I'm going to paste it here. What is the status page for if GoLinks is down? That is a question that I get all the time from clients. So for myself, I might add this so that the rest of my team can go in and find the answer. As you'll see here, all these questions are being asked in the company, and they will be unanswered until an admin answers them. Again, please note that only an admin of your instance can come in here and answer the question. That's how you'll know that the answer is essentially verified for everybody to review. If you're an admin, you will actually, when you click on this, you will actually have the ability to add the answer. But because I'm currently only a member, you will only see the question. But again, please note that if you are somebody in the company who receives a lot of questions, this is a great place for you to come and add those questions so that when people complete searches that relate to those questions, your answer can be given in a very simple and easy fashion. Thank you very much.